Hello students, how are you all? Enjoying? Yeah, I'm back, your EVS teacher from Mount Literacy School, Rampura Full. So what we were doing? We have completed our chapter number 3 and today we are going to start a new chapter and the name of new chapter is Plants Around Us. Okay, you must have seen plants around us. There are many plants around us. So this is your homework. You have to write the names of the plants you have in your house or around your homes. Alright. So here what is written. Now on a Sunday afternoon, one day when it was Sunday, Adi went to the garden with his sister. Here you can see Adi and his sister are in a garden. He looked at the birds eating fruits. What he is doing? He is looking at the birds. Those birds eating fruit. And what are the birds doing? Birds are eating fruits. And colorful butterflies flying from one flower to another. There are many flowers in the garden and butterflies too. So what butterflies are doing? They are flying from one flower to the other flower, right? A breeze was blowing gently through the garden. A cool breeze, a cool air was blowing at that time. And then what Adi felt? After having feel of cool breeze, what Adi felt? Fresh, hot, cool or stale? That you have to answer. Okay, not me. Alright, so I explained you the situation. Now you need to tell me that what Adi felt after breeze blows, right? Okay, now let's start the main part of chapter. In the garden, Adi went to sleep under a tree. When he felt cool breeze, what he did? He went under a tree to take a sleep. Alright, he went to sleep under a tree. He saw an incredible dream in which all the plants in the garden spoke to him. And while sleeping, Adi had a dream. And what came in his dream? That in the garden, each and every plants are talking to him. This he saw in his dreams. One by one, the plants in the garden introduced themselves to him. So one by one, the plants, what are they doing? See, whenever we meet someone, we introduce ourselves. Similarly, plants are introducing themselves to Adi as they met first time with Adi. Right? So what they are doing? They are introducing themselves to Adi, but in Adi's dream, not in reality. So let's go what he is dreaming while sleeping. Okay? See here in a picture, Adi is standing with a tree. Now what it is saying? Hello, I am a tree. What it is saying? Hello, I am a tree. I am a big and tall plant with many branches. So what he is saying? What this tree is saying? That I am a tree. And I am big. As you can see, it is very big. Okay? And tall. Tall means long in height. Right? Tall means its height is long. Alright? Big and tall plant with many branches. And what it has? It has many branches. This part, upper part you can see on which leaves are there. This part is known as branches. This is one branch and many branches means branches. One is branch and many are branches. Right? So it has many branches. The tree is a woody plant. Now what is tree? That we will discuss. Tree is a woody plant. Alright. Woody plant means wood. Wood you all know, lakdi, right? So it is a woody plant with a thick and strong stem. Lower part of any plant is called stem. Alright. And it is so thick and strong too. So it is called trunk. The lower part of any tree. Lower part of any tree is called trunk. Okay. A thick hard layer covers its trunk, and every tree's trunk is covered with a thick hard layer. Okay, you must have seen a tree. ट्री के ऊपर एक थिक लेयर होती है ब्राउन कलर की. दैट इज कॉल्ड बार्क. ओके. On each and every tree there is a thick layer on trunk, and that thick layer is known as bark. A tree lives for many years. A tree has a life of many years. Big plants such as banyan, mango, neem, apple are called trees. So big plants are called trees, as we all know that big plants are called trees always. Big plants, we never call it as plant. We always call it as tree. Alright. So what are the examples of tree here? Banyan tree, mango tree, neem, apple. These are the trees. They are not plants. They are big plants. That means trees. Alright. So what are the parts trees have? Tree has branches, trunk, and the thick hard layer on trunk is bark. Alright, and what are the examples of trees? Banyan tree, mango tree, neem, and apple. Alright, so let's go further. Whose neck Adi met in his dream? Adi met with a rose plant. He met with a rose plant. Alright, you like fragrance of rose? Yes, I also like. So what rose plant is saying? That I am a shrub. Now what is shrub? Why it is saying that I am a shrub? Shrubs are the plants that have hard and woody stems. What I say, the lower part of every plant is known as a stem. So this lower part you can see, this is hard and woody. Okay, this is hard and woody, the lower part of plant. And these plants are smaller than trees. They are smaller than trees. Okay, trees you have seen that it is very big and tall. But these plants are not that much tall. Okay, they are small. Cotton and mehndi plants are also shrubs. Now what are the other examples of shrubs? Other than rose plant, cotton and mehndi plants are also shrubs. So what are shrubs? You understood that the stems, the plants having hard and woody stems are known as shrubs. So rose has hard and woody stem, so it is called shrub, and cotton and mehndi plants are also has hard and woody stems. Okay, that's why they are also called as shrubs. Okay. Now what next? Adi met in his dream. Adi met with herbs. Now what herbs are saying? That we are herbs. We have thin and soft and green stems. What it is saying? That I have, this is the stem part, right? I have thin, it is so thin, soft and green stems. Okay, you can see it is so green. Herbs usually live for one season. Okay, so herbs usually live for one season. As we have studied in trees, that trees are for many years, but herbs are only for one season. And what are seasons? Seasons are summer season, winter seasons, rainy seasons. All these are the seasons we know. So herbs are for one seasonal. That's why they are known as seasonal plants. Herbs are also known as seasonal plants. Now what are the examples of herbs? Coriander, mint, Indian basil, lavender are the names of some herbs. Coriander means dhania, mint means pudina, Indian basil means tulsi. Alright, all these are the herbs you have around you. Okay, so plant which have thin, soft and green stems are known as herbs. Okay, and what are the examples? Coriander, mint, Indian basil, lavender. Okay, so hope you all have understood herbs also. Now what next? Next is pea pod. Pea pod means peas you have seen, matar. Okay, this complete part is known as pea pod. This complete part is known as pea pod, outer layer and inner peas. Complete part is known as pea pod. Okay, that grows on a pea plant. Of course, it is a pea, so it will grow on a pea plant. That's obvious. Okay, the plant that I grow on has a weak stem and needs the support of a wall or stem to grow. So what this pea pod is saying, the plant that I grow, this is a pea plant on which pea pod grows. Okay, so the stems of this plant, the stems of these plants are very weak. Okay, if यहाँ पर pea pods आएंगे, ये पार्ट हैवी होगा तो इधर बेंड हो जाएगा. ऑल राइट, कोई भी हैवी पार्ट अगर आप किसी थ्रेड पर हैवी पार्ट अटैच करोगे तो इट विल बेंड. ओके, सिमिलरली इधर एक पी पॉड आएगा तो दिस पार्ट विल बेंड. वाई? बिकॉज इट्स स्टेम आर सो वीक एंड सो थिन, और इफ इट बेंड टू मच देन इट विल ब्रेक and it's not good for a plant, है ना, right? So to grow it needs a support of a wall or any stem or any other stem, or we can attach a stick here and this stick we can tie with this plant. Okay, so what we can do to support this pea plant, we can give him a support with a wall or a stem or with a stick to grow, because if we won't give him support then it will break. Okay, so this plant is very weak. So weak plant need weak stem. The stem of pea plant is very weak, so it need a support of a wall or stem to grow. The pea plant is called a climber. Now what is the meaning of climber here? See, climb means, climb का मतलब क्या होता है? ऊपर चढ़ना, right? And climber means जो ऊपर चढ़ रहा है. The one who is climbing up is known as climber. So what is this plant is doing? This plant is climbing up with the help of a wall. We have given him a support of this wall, na? So it will grow up of wall. That means this plant is climbing up this wall. That's why this is known as climber. That's why this plant is known as a climber, because it is climbing up while growing on this wall. इस wall पर वो grow करते करते ऊपर बढ़ रहा है. That's why it is known as climber. Now what are the other examples of climber other than pea plant? Money plant, grapevine are also climbers, because they also need support of a wall or a stem or a stick to grow, and through them they grow up, they climb up, right? That's why they are known as climber. So the stem of climbers are weak, they need support of a wall or stem to grow, right? So hope you all have understood the meaning of tree and the parts of tree, shrubs, herbs and climbers. What's next? Next is pumpkin family. You can see pumpkin here. You must have eaten. They are very tasty and healthy. Okay. So what they are saying? Hello, we are the pumpkin family. What are they? They are the pumpkin family. We grow on the pumpkin plant. Obviously, if they are pumpkin, then they will grow on the pumpkin plant, right? A pumpkin plant has a weak stem. It also has a weak stem like climbers, and thus grows along the ground. And it grows along the ground, on the ground only. Climbers need support with a wall and they climb up while growing. But pumpkin plant has a weak stem and it grows along the ground. It grows on the ground only. It is called a creeper. Okay. So the plants having weak stem and grows on ground only. They don't need any support of wall or stem or stick. So it is called a creeper. Creepers cannot climb with the help of support because their fruits are very heavy. See, in climbers the fruits are peas, right? Pea pods. But they are not as heavy as pumpkins. Pumpkins are very heavy. So the plants that are having heavy fruits, they can't climb up. Alright, जिसके पास heavy part होता है वो ऊपर ज़्यादा नहीं चढ़ सकता, ऊपर ज़्यादा climb नहीं कर सकता. See, if you are climbing up and I give you a heavy carton to take it up, so you can't be able to climb, okay, because your weight is double now, you are heavy now. Alright, so creepers cannot climb, they can't be climbers because they are having heavy fruits. They have heavy fruits, that's why. Watermelon and gourd are also creepers. Alright, so what are the other examples of creepers? Watermelon and gourd, right? So what have you learned about pumpkin family? In the dreams of Adi. So this was all coming in the dream of Adi, and you are watching or looking the dream of Adi. Okay. So hope you all have understood about each and everything about plants. For today this is it. We will meet in the next class. So till then, bye bye. Take care everyone.